Wrapping it up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Definitely going to recommend these brushes. Hey guys, look what I just got in from Remerry. This is a 96 set of paintbrush kit. This is a whole box, a whole case. There's 96 3-inch chip natural bristle brushes in here. This is a crafter's dream. This is how they come in this huge box just like this here. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show you a little bit about it. Let's take a look at it. Just to let you know, I was compensated, and they did send this to me to do a review and just talk about their products. And I love painting and crafting, and here is a whole case of them. This is a crafter's dream. If you're a painter, a contractor, whatever you do here, there's 96 3-inch brushes. They have brushes. There's two different sizes they have available. They have the 3-inch and the 4-inch brushes. These are the 3-inch brushes. Let me just pull one out and put this box to the side. Let me pull a couple out here. Pull up to the side. Like this is the 3-inch one. You can see the bristles, how they work and how they feel. These are nice quality. This is all wood. This is all metal. This is all nailed into the shaft itself. The bristles are very soft, natural. This is a chipping brush for woodworking, painting, touch-ups, things like that. It doesn't have an edge to it. I mean, you can edge with these. Mainly, these are maybe 1 or 2 or 3 times used, depending on your project. You can use them longer, depending if you clean them. If it's a varnish or a high, like a glue or something, it might be a one application. This is why you get so many and such a value. So check this company out. This is really, really great deal. You go to the big box stores, you'll pay a fortune for these. All right, don't get stuck with that. These are 50, 60, 70% less than the big box stores. So just to know that right away. And Remy, like I said, this is a brand high quality stuff. There's 96 of these. Like I said, you can use these in classrooms, in the crafts, children's brushes, paint sets. You can paint bricks. You can use this with varnishes. You can use this with oil paint, latex paint. It doesn't really matter. Honestly, it's just an all-around great quality brush. The same brush you would get in the big box store for a fraction of the cost. All right, let's go down. I'm going to pull out some varnish. I'm going to pull out some paint, and I'm going to show you exactly how it spreads and finish up this review. If you enjoyed this type of review, let me know. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Here are the paint brushes. I have them with me. I have like 4 or 5 of them just to have some variety. And this is what they look like, as you saw them already. So let's put them to the side. And what I've told you before is make sure you just get some of the loose bristles off before you start using it. That's the first thing. If you want to use gloves, you can. Totally up to you. And like I said, I'll leave a link down below for these if you're interested in these. As an affiliate link, costs you nothing and helps support my channel. And I'm just going to show you basically what they do and how they work. And I think they're a pretty good value, like I said before. So we have 2 different types of paint. We have a Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch. I was painting some stuff last year. This is a black. This is a semi-gloss black paint right here. And we're just going to do just a coat on here just to show you how it works. We just put it in the paint, dab it in, brush it out a little bit like that, like this. And we'll just do the edge of this over here. Let me just show you. So you can just see. It's going to need a couple of coats. Of course, this is raw wood. You probably want to prime this first. I'll just give you a demonstration on just kind of how this works. You just let it put a light coat on. Anytime you do painting, you have to do light coats and multiple coats to really have a great finish. Okay, that's one thing you need to know. So let's put that on it and let that dry. And we'll just let that sit for there. And that's that. So that brush is right here. So you could, Mike, I have a tip for you. Totally up to you. I would put a little baggie over this. If you're just doing something, you want to keep reusing this brush, you can wash it. Sometimes I put a little baggie over them, put an elastic, keeps them from drying out. This is a pro tip for you, what I do, especially with the expensive brushes, the really expensive brushes, you want to do that. This one here is a great brush. And you can see the spreading was excellent. You can see that. So now we have another option here. And this is a gel varnish. You can see here, this is a gel stain right here. This is a gel. Some people do a lot of staining. If you're a crafter, woodworker, things like that. Again, get the any loose bristles off. Make sure they're pulled off. Do that. And we'll do the other side of the piece of wood here. Let's just turn this around. And I would use this mostly for like varnishing myself. Personally, I do a lot of that kind of stuff. I do a lot of staining. You can just see how well it spreads. Look at this. That is awesome. Again, a couple of coats, and you can wipe this off with a rag. When you're staining, it's a different process. You want to get it on and get it off when you're doing that kind of work. And you would get an old rag or whatever you're using. This is just a quick demonstration, and then you just wipe it off. You can just see the wood grain, how it's just nicely just like that. You can just see how that just spreads on there. Beautiful. You could do multiple coats, and it actually will be quite really, really, really nice. Put on here just to give you an idea. Again, how well it works. Now, if this was primed properly, sanded properly, but you can just get an idea how well these chipping brushes work. They do a nice job, and the 3-inch one gives you some good coverage. Another idea for you. So you let that dry, give it a couple of coats, and you get the idea. These work really, really well. I love these brushes. So that's just a quick demonstration. Again, here's the black side. Here's the varnish and the stain. Again, you put another coat on here. You want to do that, just give it a little dip, okay? A little wipe, and then give a second coat if you want to. Again, a lot of this is just preliminary, just get things on here. A lot of it just really works really well. And the way it spreads, look at that. That's fantastic. Now, most of the time, this brush probably you might have to throw away after a while because it's going to dry out, but it really just, it works exactly, honestly, for the price point for these things, it's just crazy. I'm actually very, very impressed. And then we'll just go to the black side. That's drying up pretty good. Let me get my dryer. This just is a quick way of drying some wood. Again, if you have a heat gun hanging around the house, you can see how fast it's just drying up that paint. Don't want to get it too hot, just enough to dry. That is dried. And we'll just slap on one quick coat. And we're going to wrap up the video. Get the black. Let's get that in here. And we'll dip it. And we'll give it one more coat. You can just see how nice these brushes work. All right, guys, that's it. Wrapping it up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Definitely got to recommend these brushes. These work exactly as stated, and I absolutely love them. That's all I can say is I love them. The A+ for me, 5 stars all the way. Definitely pick these up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like I said, follow for more. Appreciate it as always. Make it a great day.